Hi, what's up guys, welcome back to Unboxing Home. Here in this video brought to you the iQOO Z9x 5G Model I2219. By the way, this phone is bought for my Baba. Let's take a look at it. First, designed from the box with a Z and the logo iQOO. iQOO. By the way, this phone is made by Vivo. Just to inform you, this model is I2219. The iQOO Z9x 5G model I2219 is marketed with an MRP of 19,000 rupees, but I got it in a selling price of 13,000 rupees. Here are some basic specifications of the iQOO Z9x 5G. Color: tornado green. This is the color of my choice. Looks very attractive and slim fit design. It comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. The phone chip is Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. Antutu Score tested with 560K+. Take a look at this logo design under light when moving. It's like a rainbow. Let's open it. The phone dimensions are length 16.5 cm, width 7.6 cm, thickness 0.7 cm. The first look of the camera design is quite reasonable. It has two cameras located on the left side, a main AI camera with 50 megapixels, and a bokeh camera comes with 2 megapixels, and the front camera is 8 megapixels. This is an original phone case of the iQOO Z9x, very rubbery plastic. This is the warranty card and a quick start guide. According to iQOO, this phone got a standard 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. The iQOO Z9x 5G is equipped with a Vivo standard 44-watt charger. Now let's start the phone. The iQOO Z9x operating system is Fun Touch OS 14 based on Android 14. Here, I've got the phone set up quickly. And that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more unboxing videos later on.